My name is Jennifer Vance. My husband and I live in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I've been coming to Dr. Elmer for about 7 years. Was diagnosed with primary progressive MS in December 2015. Um, I'm a certified nutritional consultant and had been helping people with their nutrition for a lot of years. And in 2015, I ended up having to go into the hospital for something, and I was having trouble at that time walking. I was still walking, but with a, walker with wheels. And the doctor said it wasn't normal for a 61-year-old woman to not be walking. And so they tested me, and it was primary progressive MS. I had not gone to any doctors or anything. I just figured whatever I was dealing with would go away. so, but before that, I was having a little bit of trouble for the couple of years off and on walking. Started out having to use a crutch to help. And other than that, that was the biggest thing. See, and in researching the whole condition, I could see how that problem had been coming up for years in the past, off and on. So it wasn't anything serious until about 2014-15. And then in 2017 is when I heard about Dr. Elmer as a functional neurologist. I had a friend of mine that in my Bible study that her husband had Parkinson's, and she told me about Dr. Elmer. She said he was a functional neurologist. I said, "Did you say functional neurologist?" She's like, "Yeah." I asked her 3 times, "Did you say functional neurologist?" Because I knew what functional was, but I never heard of functional neurologist. So I'm like, yeah, I want his name. So went in and talked with him, and he did x-rays and whatever was needed for the consultation. And in the studies that I had over the years with nutrition and other things, what he had told me that he would work on was right in line with what I knew about. So I just started up with him, and I really believe, had I not started with him when I did, I don't think I would be here. And he works with a condition in different ways. It's obviously a neurological way, along with other modalities, and he's very good at using what he studies. But the amazing thing is he keeps studying and keeps finding new things to keep helping people. And my condition it made me mad that I was even in that condition. Would have never thought anything like this would happen. But he has, as he's worked on me over the years, um, unfortunately, this condition does progress. Um, but there are things that he's worked on in the past and over time that are better. And other things, of course, I'm still on the track, but it's been amazing to me how some of the things that he's worked on in the brain, how it has actually turned. And I know that in my studies, the body does produce new neurons and new veins and different things when it's done properly, along with nutrition. So it's been an interesting journey. I'm 70 years old now, and it's the final season of my life actually, but might as well go out with a bang. Just trying to figure out how to keep going is really interesting. But I'm thankful that we met Dr. Elmer when I did, and he wants to make things improved for whoever he's working on. So I'm thankful, and we keep on working on new stuff.